Hey everyone, this is Mike Boggs, Striker System Sales Manager. In this Striker CAD-CAM feature video, we're going to take a look at text processing. There may be times when you need to mark text on your parts, be it a part number, an order number, a customer name, or any other text required in your production process. Not only will Striker CAD-CAM process text for your cutting or punching machine, it will even automatically place the text on parts for you. Now first, an important point. Regardless of whether I'm etching text with a laser or I have tooling to mark text on my CNC punch, I can just use the text command to place any text that I want. And when I apply a tool path or punch tooling to the part, the text is going to be recognized and processed appropriately. In this case, I'll use the text command and place sample text on a part and apply a tool path for a laser. The text is automatically etched. And on a punch, I have a setup to determine which type of tooling I'd like to use to mark the text, be it a scribing tool, a dot matrix or nibbling type marking tool, or if you have a special character tool such as an easy type multi-tool from Trump that we're using here. So use the text command to drop text on the parts to your heart's content. But at Striker Systems, we're all about automation. So in this video, we're going to focus on the automatic placement and processing of text all the way through your production process. So it all starts here, in the Part Share Library, our central storage system for part data. So whether you design your parts in the Striker CAD-CAM software, saved your parts through our integrated interface to one of the 3D solutions such as SolidWorks, or just batch imported DXF and DWG files. However you get your parts into the system, this is their storage location. So just a note, the reason my libraries are blurred out over here is because there's a whole bunch of Striker customer names that you would recognize, and I'm just respecting their privacy. So I'm going to open a part in this Hastings HVAC library, which is one of our customers in Hastings, Nebraska, who told us we're welcome to use their parts in demonstrations. So a shout out to Hastings HVAC. As I open a part, notice this toggle, Ignore Part Labeling. Striker CAD-CAM provides an automatic part labeling system, and this toggle allows you to control whether or not a text label is applied to an individual part when the automatic labeling feature is turned on. If we close out the part information dialog and open the Part Share Settings dialog, we see the part label setup options. This is where we can control what data is placed on a part, where it will be placed, and what size it will be. In this case, you see that our text label will include a part number, followed by a dash, and then a part version. There is a /P to designate a new line where we will have the part description. And notice for nesting, all of the work and process data is also supported in automatic text labeling. With part labeling enabled, when I insert a part from the Part Share library, we see that it includes the text label, which can then be processed on a laser or on a punch. And in this case, on the punch, we're using a dimple tool. And if I need to adjust the location of the text for some reason, I just select a Move command and position the text wherever I like. So what about nesting? I'm going to import a CSV file to create a nest kit. We see that some of the parts in the nest have text labels on them. Because remember, Striker CAD-CAM lets you control which parts receive a text label and which do not. Also notice the text is at the same location and orientation relative to the part. You also have the option of having all text labels placed relative to the sheet, so all text is at the same angle and oriented for a machine operator to read. When I run the AutoNC command to apply a toolpath and generate the NC code, the text is recognized and etched. So there you have it, Striker CAD-CAM's automatic placement and processing of text labels. If you'd like to learn more about this feature or any Striker CAD-CAM features, please don't hesitate to contact us.